Good morning to all my loved ones. A big good afternoon. Good afternoon to all my loved ones. Oh, John, how is everything? Hope we are all fine. All weather is back again. You know, whenever you see all weather, many days good news for you. There is advice and things you need to know. Very, very important. I would like to talk about our brothers and sisters that are here in Europe that are still working, or maybe you are still looking for a way to get a job. You never see job. The advice I just have for you is this: please, whenever they call you for job, be ready. I know most of our men, they don't have this kind of problem, as in they don't they are really they have the strength, they have the power to work. If they are able to get job, they always make the people happy. The owner of the job, they make them happy. But for my ladies, what I'm still observing lately, I'm observing things that is not really too good, especially our ladies, our women. Please, if they call you for work, try to do your best. Try to do your best. Make the owner of the work happy, so that if, for example, tomorrow the person is still looking for another person who will work for them. If, for example, you occupied with them already, maybe opportunity may just come to say, you have other person that can work. Any couple, any person that offer you a job, and you are still working for the person, and the person is asking you, the same person, did you have anybody that want to work? Meaning, you know your job, you know your right, meaning you are a good person, meaning you are doing the job well. Anybody that is working for Fabrica or Badante or wherever, and the same person that offer you that job is asking you, the same person, did you have anybody who want to work or who you can call for me? Meaning you are doing the great job for the person. That is why the person is still asking you. Please, why I really decided to make this video, I pray that God should continue to empower us. God should continue to give us the ability, to give us the strength to do things here in Europe. Maybe tomorrow, I'm just doing those things. God knows my heart. And people that knows me in market, they know who I am. Maybe tomorrow, I may become a agencia de lavoro, who people that offer job to people. I may be the person. I don't know where God is leading me to. I may become that person. But why I just decided to make this video, please, if I called you to come and work, to go for work, please do that job, so that that person will also call me again and tell me, please, I need this kind of person. I don't want to hear anymore. Quella persona, no, voglio. I don't want that person. I don't want it. I'm just doing it on my own. I like doing it. I like helping people. In any way I can do it, I will be happy. That is my joy. Please, guys, if I call you to go and work for somebody, do your best. If you are good, they will let me know. If you are not good, they will also call me to let me know. Please, I'm just using this opportunity to advise our brothers and sisters here in Europe. Maybe agency I call you. That is the people that offer job. Agent, Agent, they will call you. Go and work for this person. Go and work for this person. Please, bring good name to that person, so that next time, if he see you, he will be happy. It was okay. If they also call the datore de lavoro, as in the agent, if they call the agent, they will say, okay, please, if you are bringing person for me, bring this kind of person, like the one you brought for me. I want that same person, like that kind of person that know how to work, that is doing it with passion. When someone call me that he need people for work, I call many people. What I'm talking, people that knows it, they will know what I'm talking about. Before she called me to bring people for her, she was asking me, please, if you are bringing people, don't bring the people that steal. Because one of our sisters, we are working for this lady. She stole all are gold, money, a lot of things. Is that a good name? No. Please, anytime I call you for work, I want you to do it as if you are doing it for yourself. I want you to do it so that that person will have the person will be happy to call me. I need this kind of people. I'm just doing it. You know, I'm not a agency, but I love doing it. You know, I'm always busy. I was talking with one woman in common. So she was asking me, all those people, how did you know them? How did you know those people? I told her I have a Africa shop. He said, see, he said that is how you know that. I said, yes. He said, but you have children. You are married. I said, yes, I am married. I have 3 kids. He said, Mamma mia, oh, compliment. He said, so you have job. You have 3 kids. And you are able to do all those things for those people. He said, compliment. It was just giving me compliments. So I think about myself. I think about my family. I think about my loved ones. I just pray that God should continue to give me that strength. This is what I want to do for my loved ones. If I'm opportune, if I have the opportunity to help my loved ones, that is just my joy. Someone pissed me off, but all the same, how can you go to someone's house to go and work for the person? You are going out. Oh my God. Please, we need to be careful in anything we are doing. Let's do it with passion. Let's do it as if we are taking care of our father, as we are taking care of our mother, or taking care of our loved ones. How is it possible you leave someone that you are taking care of? You leave it, you went out without calling me, even me that call you to go and do the work. Or calling the woman, the relative of that woman, the lady, or the person you even went to go and assist. You just left the person alone. They need someone that will take care of their person, their mother or their sister. That is why they are looking for a badante. You can't just go out without telling any person that I'm coming, or can I go out, or who can stay with this person. My dear, please let us change our mentality. It's not done. Before you start the work, they told you how it functions. If you accept it, you say, okay, I like it. If you don't accept it, you say, no, I can't do it. You let them know. For example, maybe there is emergency. You can still do it. You call the person, or you call the sister, or you call the daughter, or you call the person that asked you to go and work there. Please, something just came up. Very important. How can I do it? Please help me to call those people, or help me to call the sister or the daughter or the son, so that they will come. You cannot leave somebody alone without without informing them. It's not done. It's not possible. What if that person died? What will you do? Because they need assistance. They need someone that will assist them. That is why they are looking for badante. Please, guys, anytime I call you for work, do it as if you are doing it for yourself. Please, I beg you with the name of God. To get job in Italy is not easy. So if you are able to get something, please do it in a way that tomorrow, if they still need you, they will also call you. They will call you. If they don't call you, they will say, okay, since you don't have time, please, can you look for someone that is like you? When I call people years ago for badante, the woman was telling me, please, can you come and do it for us? I was laughing. I said, I'm occupied. There's no way I can do it. If I can do it, I will be happy to do it. I did a lot of badante. I did badante before I started calling people. So I know how it functions. And if you're able to get the good ones, you will enjoy them. It's as if you are your home. It's as if you are taking care of your mother, taking care of your children. If they ask you to speak, you cannot speak. You are able to get small job. Why don't you just, even with that, you can even learn how to speak small, little, just little. You can learn how to do something. Please. Please, in anything you are doing, put more passion. Do it as if you are doing it for yourself. If you look at it, if you come to think of it, you are still doing it for yourself. Are you not going to earn money? Are you not going to receive money? Please, guys, anytime I call you for job, if you want to do it, if you like to do it, just say yes, I can do it. If you don't like to do it, also say yes, no, I can't do it, because I have a lot of things to do. For you not to spoil that place for me, please. We have a long way to go. We have many people we want to assist, we want to help. Please, whenever I call you, never you leave that person alone without telling the children or the father or the mother or the relative. Never you leave that kind of person alone, because they need someone that will take care of them. That is why they ask you to come and assist them. That is one advice. The second one, please, never you steal. Never you take what they don't give to you. Well, if they give you something, collect it. If they didn't give it to you, don't take anything that does not belong to you. Please. That is just advice. I say, okay, let me quickly drop it. Please, I'm just saying this thing in this market. Please, you that is watching me, if you know someone call you for work, I might not be the person to call you. Yeah. Maybe from other city. If people call you for work, please, if you can do it, go and do it. If you cannot do it, just let the person know, I can't do it. They won't kill you, they won't beat you. For you not to spoil another person's name. Remember once again, anybody that is working and the director of the work, the person that is offering you the work, the job, is asking you, the same person, did you have any other person that can see come? We need it. Meaning you are doing a great job there. You are doing a great things. So with that reason, please let us try our best. Let us do our best. So that next time they will have the opportunity. They will be happy to call us again. This is my advice to you. I love you all. Please, let's do things the way it's supposed to be. If today is your first time of seeing this video, don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be notified. You will be the first person to share my video too, to like my video. Share it to our loved ones. Let me leave you now. See you on my next video. I love you all. Ciao.